in the recent years, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo nag-slow down yung paglabas ng mga bagong features sa mga smartphone. Karamihan dun sa mga features na dati galing sa flagship, naging available na sa mid-range, while other features remain out of reach kasi unang-una, napakamahal kung ibababa natin sa mid-range, at pangalawa, mawawalan na ng reason para bumili na ng flagship phones yung mga tao. So bakit ko nasabi to? With the Tecno Camon 40 series, mukhang talagang malaki yung leap or yung upgrade galing dun sa previous generation, which is the Tecno Camon 30 series. And in particular, with the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G, we think this is the best Tecno Camon 4 so far, and that is because of 3 really good reasons. First is the build quality, second are the cameras, and third is the software. Pag-usapan natin yan. Okay, let's talk about the build quality. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier finally gets IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance. Do you remember kung ano yung IP rating ng Tecno Camon 30 at ng Tecno Camon 30 Premier? We are making the leap to IP68 and IP69, at hindi lang yon, it is also SGS 5-star drop resistant certified, which means not only can you take this with you para ipanligo or ipang swimming sa pool, pero kung malaglag man ito, hindi siya basta-basta masisira. And we think that's part of the reason why this phone feels really well made compared to its predecessors. Iba talaga yung feeling pag nahawakan mo yung bagong Tecno Camon 40 series. And I guess with the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G, it really feels premium despite the fact that it uses a polycarbonate chassis. Maganda yung design at tingnan nyo yung ring dito. Ang tawag nila dito is the Space Ring. Maganda yung accent, maganda yung kulay. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo yung design nito, this is actually the black variant. And usually pag sinabi mong black, parang very toned down, diba? And hindi ganun ka-exciting. It has the classic camera look to it. Tapos, kung titingnan nyo dito sa left edge, meron siyang additional na button. This isn't the power button. This is actually called the one-tap flash snap button. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun na lang kahaba yung pangalan, but you can use it to automatically trigger the AI assistant, or you can also use it to quickly launch the camera, and we'll talk more about that later. Pero speaking of cameras, that takes us to point number 2. This phone is equipped with 4 50 megapixel camera sensors. The main camera is a Sony LYT-701 main sensor with OIS, 2 50 megapixel auxiliary cameras. One is an ultra-wide sensor and the other is a periscope zoom lens. Both of them do not have OIS. On the other hand, the selfie camera also packs a 50 megapixel sensor. Now, this camera configuration allows Tecno to be able to zoom all the way up to 100 times, which is something na nakikita lang natin before sa mga upper mid-range phones. Speaking of the one-tap flash snap button, you can tap it twice in order to launch the camera. Then you can tap it again in order to capture a photo, or you can hold it to capture multiple shots, and then you can just select yung pinaka-best dun sa shots na nakuha mo. Noong una, akala namin dahil one-tap flash snap, pagka-tap mo, magka-capture na siya kagad ng picture, pero hindi. You actually have to tap it at least 3 times in order to capture a photo. Yung pinakaiba lang ng flash snap mode is that it captures images at a really high speed. Dun sa nabasa natin, it does it at around 10,000 frames per second, which is even faster than most professional cameras. And this allows you to capture movement. Nandyan na yung pagkuha ng photos ng pets, which can be challenging kasi ang bilis nila gumalaw. You can also use this to quickly capture moving subjects such as sports or yung mga unique moments na hindi mo inaakala or hindi mo ina-anticipate. And when it comes to video, the front-facing camera and the selfie camera both support 4K 60 FPS videos, which will definitely elevate your content creation game. So para dun sa mga mahilig kumuha ng TikTok videos or photos for your social media, being able to shoot at higher resolution and faster frame rates will open up creative possibilities. Tapos, ayun nga, meron din siyang OIS. So, it's definitely something that excites us being content creators ourselves. Tapos, meron din siyang mga AI features like AI Eraser, AI Expander, tapos meron ding AI Image Sharpening. I'm sure there are those of you out there who will be able to find ways to maximize and get the most out of these AI features. But, speaking of AI, this takes us to our third point, which is the software. For the longest time, isa talaga sa mga areas na feeling natin kailangan talaga i-improve ni Tecno is the software, and we're glad to see that they're finally stepping up their software game. Unang-una na dito yung focus sa Tecno AI. Pagka power on mo pa lang ng phone, si Ella na kagad ang tatambad sa'yo. And makita mo siya all over your phone. It feels like Ella has completely taken over the Tecno HIOS user experience. In fact, as we mentioned earlier, you can quickly access Ella by holding this orange button, and you can use that in order to interact with your phone. Wala nga lang manual that will give you a complete list of instructions to fully utilize the AI system. Not only can you use Ella to interact with your phone like a personal assistant, pero pwede mo rin siyang gamitin to do research, to tell jokes, check the weather. And in our case, we discovered that you can also use it to generate images. It uses the DeepSeek model to process your AI requests, so it provides an alternative to Google Gemini and ChatGPT. And the best thing about it is that it's baked into your phone. We tried to see if there was a way to bring back Gemini and use that instead of Ella. So far, wala kaming nakitang way to do this. Why would you want to do this? Well, if anything, napansin namin na there are times na hindi ganun ka-responsive si Ella. Also, bukod doon baka mas gusto mo lang si Gemini dahil doon ka lang nasanay, di ba? Aside from AI, malaki din yung in-improve ng user experience ni Tecno. This phone runs Android 15 with HIOS version 15 out of the box. And Tecno guarantees up to 3 major OS updates with 5 years of security updates. So, you're good up until Android version 18. Mas malinis ng tignan ang HIOS. Hindi rin ganun karami yung bloatware, although meron pa rin konti. Pero, in general, mas smooth at mas seamless yung user experience ng HIOS compared to before. By the way guys, marami ring magagandang features si HIOS na wala sa ibang phone ha. And the gaming features is something that we really appreciate on this phone. We will have a separate video on that. But one of the features that really stands out with the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G is the high performance mode. This is a system level option that you can access by going to the settings. Wala ito dun sa ibang Tecno Camon 40 series. And this will allow you to make the most out of your phone. Pero since malakas ito kumain ng power, mas iikli yung battery life ng Camon 40 Premier 5G. So, pag-usapan natin ngayon yung battery life. As I mentioned earlier, this is the first Tecno Camon series phone to use silicon carbon battery technology. So, we were excited and we were actually hoping for a much improved battery life. However, upon testing the phone, we were only able to get an average of around 7.5 hours on Wi-Fi. Hindi natin alam kung bakit. Siguro malakas lang talaga yung power draw ng MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate. Pero to its credit, this phone supports up to 70 watts of fast charging, which is also one of the fastest in the Tecno Camon series so far. Nakita nyo na ba yung trend dito? The Tecno Camon 40 and especially the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G is a generational leap over the previous Tecno Camon series phones. So, kung nanggagaling ka sa Tecno Camon 30 series or sa Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G, mapapaisip ka talaga at baka matep kang mag-upgrade. Pero ang tanong dito, magkano si Tecno Camon Premier 5G? At dun ka magulat. Naalala nyo ba kung magkano si Tecno Camon Premier 30 5G? Di ba nasa mga 23 to 24K siya? Hulaan nyo kung magkano yung Premier 40 5G.
Good night, mahal ko, left me broken in two.
Siret. Okay. The Tecno Camon Premier 40 5G will retail for only 21,999 pesos with 12 gigs of memory and 256 gigabytes of storage. Diba? Diba? Sa halip na mag-increase yung price, bumaba pa. Diba nakakaloka? So guys, do you have any questions about the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G? Usap tayo sa comments, and for more videos like this, head over to YouTube, subscribe kayo kay Tech Kuya, and we'll see you guys there. Paalam!
The truth is revealed, you are such a disgrace.
Hi, Ella.
Hi, Ella.
You left me blinded.
Great. Please say that again. Hi, Ella.
Hi, Ella.
Very
Very good.